is a very big and busy place. Every day, thousands of people go there to fly to different cities and countries. Check-in. When you arrive, you look for your airline. You go to the check-in desk. The airline staff asks, "Can I see your passport, please?" You show your passport and your ticket. You put your big suitcase on the scales. The staff gives you a boarding pass. This card is very important because it has your seat number. Security control. Next, you follow the signs to security. This is how the flight is protected. You take off your jacket and put your hand luggage in the plastic bin. You walk through a metal detector. It is very fast. Sometimes the queues for security are long, so you must always make sure you arrive at the airport on time. Boarding the plane. When your flight is ready, you go to the gate. You show your boarding pass one more time. You walk down a long tunnel to the plane. A flight attendant says, "Hello, welcome on board," and helps you find your seat. You sit down and put on your seatbelt. Now you are ready to fly. Arrival and baggage. After the plane lands, you walk to passport control. Then you go to the baggage claim area. You wait for your suitcase to come out on the moving belt. Finally, you walk through customs and see your friends or family or arrive at your holiday destination. Are you visiting the airport soon? Where are you going? Tell me in the comments below to practice your English writing.